Tnad Education kadang Pynkhreh ka blueprint ka bapura bat kan sara sya ka sorkar jela haga kendai la ni katarik ukalaling kod arjar arpasan ong umentri Tnad puli puthi urakam e sangma habakren syakilat thai kubor haga katway tarik unopra. Lakban kedau baka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA SA kala dawa na ka sorkar bakan wanra da ka polisi kaban a ka jingsngan ha ka jingshakri jong palan khatlai hajar ngot ki Nonghikai SSA kat ba ka all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association AMSSA STA kala dawa na ka benta ka jingpan kiyo tulam. Da ka bapen pa baka sorkar kadon ya ka jingkot jingmod ban pynbeit ya ki jingeh jong ki Nonghikai umentri ulaong ka jingpan khre ya ka blueprint kelas dang yan kalong ka jing shisha baka de ka jing tenju watla katta kalenti kadon habadon kaman kumta ka sorkar kadon ya kaman bat klem arta tien bangin syam ya kalenti habakali umentri ulaong Tnad katep halor ka jing tenju bat ka jingeh ka ba ki Nonghikai kilamat Henry kidon shibun ki jingeh hangne hangtai ngin hapan wanra sya ka jingtep jong ka sorkar halor kumno anle lada day ban perkhat ya kata ka e kan sajia bat ka e ka jingkata namar ka puli puthi kaya day bat baro ki benta kumta hooi ngila Pynkhreh ya ka blueprint bat ban wanra sya ka sorkar ngimtip lakan menjur ne em Henry ngila pendap ya kakam kumno ban wat e kilat kilenti ki ban ne na ka benta ban la ban weng no shisndan nye kini ki jingeh ula ban ram.
Honorable Chief Minister and the government all together, we are exploring all possibility. So we have been asked, Department of Education Department has been asked to prepare a blueprint and a presentation to the government, and which will be doing on 9th or 10th of January 2024. The complete blueprint agenda like in the cabinet retreat. So I think Education Department is also preparing a blueprint how to go about and what's the proposal, right? Just to connect with the desire of all the teachers of the state. So this is, of course, it's a challenge, but however, there is a way when there is a will. So government is definitely having the will, and definitely maybe to some extent we will find a way. Department knows the challenges. Department knows the problems. But we have to. There are many policies. There are many technical issues. We have to be brought to knowledge of the government detail, how to go about, how to if that to be considered, what will happen, what's the impact here and this. So, because education is absolutely connected to all the sector, right? So all the sector. So I think yes, we are preparing our note, our blueprint just to present to the government. It may be take or may not be take, but we are doing our exercise to what's the best solution, because we are not looking not for a short-term solution, we are looking at long-term solution once for all.